I hope that I can improve my English through more practice.
And I knew when I started taking my first few courses that I needed a little extra help.
When you're in a group with multiple people and they are extremely personalized when it comes to every person's individual needs.
I learned the delivery skills such as eye contact and body language.
EES really gives you an opportunity to see different aspects of your work that you wouldn't realize may be faulty or could use improvements. Yeah, definitely.
I would hugely recommend this to everyone who is interested. Come join EES!